Hello students, in this part we are going to learn about electric fuse. In the previous class we have seen that whenever there is an electric current in the circuit there will be an heating, because heating and electric current is inseparable part, right? And this heating effect is an useful application for such devices like electric geyser, iron and bulb, right? So if you will see that whenever there is an excessive heating in any of the devices, that will result in the damage, because it will, if the wire gets heat more, then it will get melt off, it will burn off, or it will break off. And that not only in these devices but the devices like the TV, fridge and the AC. So whenever there is an excessive current in the circuit, that produces an excessive heat and that causes the fire. So we have to look for an device which can protect our circuit from all such damage, and that device is called electric fuse. Electric fuse is a device, or we can say it is a safety device, which is used to protect our circuit from the damage. It consists of fuse wire, which is mainly a tin or a lead alloy, right? Electric fuse is basically designed in such a manner that whenever there is an excessive current flows through the circuit, it will break off. But every electric fuse comes with its withstand property. What is this withstand property? Withstand property means that will gives us an idea about the amount which it can bear. For example, if we are going to use a device which requires a current of 3 amperes and we have used a fuse wire of 5 ampere. So if the current exceeds more than 5 ampere, then that wire will get break off, means the excessive current may lead to the damage of that device, because that device needs only 3 ampere of current. So this electric fuse help us to protect the device. So here in this circuit you can see, whenever there is an heavy current flows through the circuit, it will get break off or it will get burn off. And once it will get break off or burn off, it means the path will be opened and the circuit will be act as an open circuit. But once the wire is get break off or burn off, we have to replace the wire with the new one, and it's not a difficult task, we can do it easily. Nowadays you can see that we are using the electric fuse as a miniature circuit breakers, or breakers we can say, that we called a MCB, right? This usually you have found in the school also, you have seen when we have a projector and that smart classroom, and in the AC you have might noticed this. Whenever there is an excessive current flows through the circuit, this switch is automatically turned off, otherwise it will be turned on, and this way it will protect our device. Thank you.